4.4 liter twin turbo.
Twin turbo V8, which is nasty. A 5 liter V8. It's got a 3 liter Whipple blower on it. Good. Alrighty guys, what is up? How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush, back at it again tonight. Oh, tonight we kind of got ourselves in a little bit of trouble, boys and girls. We are running this beast of a car. It's a 2013 BMW M5 that's got a couple goodies, and this would be my first ever run with the Whipple Gen 5 blower that I just got installed on my 2019 Mustang GT. It's gonna be quite a good run, I believe. Definitely get to see what the Gen 5 is all about. But I'm gonna go ahead and have the owner of this gorgeous 2013 BMW M5 tell you what he has done to it. So you wanna go ahead and kind of give us a little bit of introduction about your car?
Sure. So stage 2 boot mode tune, catless downpipes, charcoal filter delete, and axle back Remus exhaust.
So if you guys don't know, the M5 this generation per se, or this model, has a 4.4 liter
4.4 liter twin turbo.
Twin turbo V8, which is nasty. If you think about it, 4.4 liters with twin turbos, definitely they're not joking around with this car, so it's pretty quick. My car is a 5 liter V8. It's got a 3 liter Whipple blower on it. It's gonna be a friendly run, kind of see where the cars stack up, and hopefully maybe we'll run it again once we both get some more mods. So yeah, go ahead and enjoy the video, guys. Here we go, heading out to Mexico now. Alright guys, we did 2 runs so far. Cars are very close. I mean very, very close. So at the second run I think I definitely pulled him. First run he got me though. I kind of short shifted a little bit because it was the first ever run. guys, so we weren't too happy with the runs we had earlier just because we kept having kind of shitty road conditions, I guess you could say, a lot of bends and stuff like that. We just didn't want to risk it, so we decided that it's better just to find a better straightaway and run it there. So yeah, we're heading to another part of Mexico right now, somewhere where it's a lot more straight, a lot better for both cars. But I have to say that M5 is damn quick, man. Those twin turbos are no joke for sure. And the fact that it has a DCT, I mean, it's a twin turbo V8 with a DCT, so definitely packs a punch and it gets moving real well. So yeah, man, I'm trying my best to kind of keep up with it, but it's a solid machine, that's for sure. I mean, those Germans, they have that Autobahn, so they make their cars move and groove up top for sure. Ready? Pretty close, yeah. Man. Hell yeah. Dude, that last one was nice. Woo! It was so straight and we were moving.
That's the spot.
Yeah. All right, guys, so we just went to war, man. That M5 is dang quick, man, that DCT, and me trying to keep up with it, but this thing did really well, man, considering that thing is making close to 650 wheel horsepower with the DCT and everything. Definitely was moving and grooving, and you know, it was just kind of in between the two, like you're both fighting for it. Super close runs. I got him a little bit, he got me a little bit, so I can't really tell you exactly where it's at, but I'm really happy with the performance of the car. I mean, considering this is a Whipple tune and the car is on 91 pump gas, it did really well in my book, so pretty stoked on it. Hope you guys enjoyed those runs. We're gonna pull off real quick out of Mexico here and just talk about the runs before we wrap up this video. So I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am enjoying racing this thing, man. This thing is an absolute monster, especially up top. It just moves and grooves real well. All right, guys, just got back from Mexico. My goodness, that was pretty dang intense. Dude, those runs were totally worth it. Oh my god.
That was nuts, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah. That was insane. 100% the fastest I've ever pushed this thing.
Yeah, me too.
Oh man, we were moving up top though. Holy shit.
Man, holy
They're so close though. Oh
yeah,
my god.
Dude, that was really good. Look.
No, it's insane. I gotta review the footage because I was so in the moment.
I know, dude. Yeah, me too. It's like I can't even look like to my left, or I can't even look anywhere else but straight ahead.
Yeah. All right,
that
so
was a nice road though.
Yeah, that road in Mexico is like the best road I've been on. Sorry guys, so we ended up doing a total of what, probably 6 runs or so total. Yeah, so least, yeah. We did that 250s and then a bunch of 60s.
Yeah, a bunch of 60s.
A bunch of 60s.
We probably did at least 5 60s.
Yeah. The funny thing is, like, the outcome, yeah,
maybe like 5 60s.
Yeah, the funny thing is the outcome is, well, I know my car is not as consistent because I'm driving it, right. You know, because like it's your car, obviously the DCT is just gonna be on point. But for me,
shifted on, I think the second to last run.
You
on 4th, yeah.
Are you paddle shifting it?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, but it was pretty intense, man. I haven't really pushed the car for it to
shaking.
Yeah, to do it for the first night out to kind of go that hard with it. But she ran good, no issues. And this thing is a damn monster. Yeah, but I noticed off the hit, my car moves out, and then yours just, it looks like a
little bit of spin.
Yeah, I don't know if it's spinning or is that spin that you're experiencing?
Yeah, a little bit, just a little bit.
Okay, so we're hooking better on the...
Hooking better on those last 2 runs, though.
Last 2 runs, gotcha. Yeah, that's intense. But yeah, man, I'm happy. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, respect.
Hell yeah, dude, respect, man. We drove the hell out of these things tonight. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Just some friendly runs, you know, a boosted 5.0 versus twin turbo, you know, M5 here. This thing is nasty. Definitely have to kind of think twice about one if I see it on the road for sure. Because they're pretty sleeper, man. You wouldn't expect a big sedan like this to be pushing that kind of speed. But up top, you can tell that they make them to move really, really well at those high speeds. Yeah. It just feels like it's pulling real well. Yep. And I mean, my car definitely, it was moving pretty nice too. I'm not gonna lie. Sure. Definitely a fun night. Hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you did, make sure you drop a like on it, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Rush Ship signing out. Peace.